What's the meaning of CT? CT. CT.
CT. CT. The term CT is an abbreviation that can refer to different concepts depending on the context. In molecular biology, it is often used to denote the cycle threshold in quantitative PCR assays, which is the number of cycles required for the fluorescence signal to cross a set threshold. This value is inversely proportional to the target concentration in the sample. CT values can be used to determine the level of gene expression or viral load in a sample. Overall, CT is an important parameter in molecular biology research and diagnostic testing.